Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you 5 best free PDF editors for Windows that you can use to edit, convert, and manage your PDF files easily. Now let's get started. Number 1 is Seda PDF, a web-based editor that lets you edit text, add images, and merge multiple PDFs without installing anything on your computer. It works directly in your browser, so you can access it from anywhere on Windows. This is important if you want a quick solution without using storage space. Number 2 is PDF Gear, which allows you to edit PDF content and convert files into formats like Word or images for easier sharing and reuse. It is installed on your Windows system and offers powerful tools for free. This makes it useful for students, office work, and document editing. Number 3 is TinyWow, a simple online tool designed for fast PDF edits with a clean and minimalist interface. You can upload your file, make quick changes, and download it without complicated steps. It is important for users who want speed and simplicity. Number 4 is Canva, which lets you customize PDFs using drag and drop features, fonts, and design elements on Windows through its web platform. It is mainly known for design, but also works great for visually editing documents. This helps when you want your PDFs to look more professional. Number 5 is Just Sign PDF, a tool focused on adding digital signatures to PDF documents quickly and securely. It helps you sign forms without printing, saving both time and paper. This is especially important for business and official use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.